Hello, Galaxy. I'm Chris Pirillo, and this is my view in fewer than two. Printers! How do they work? Do I even care anymore? No, I don't. I don't own a printer. Am I the only one out there who doesn't want to own a printer? I mean, I would love to own a printer. The problem is I've dealt with printer hardware and printer software and the toner and the ink and the DRM that has now plagued printers permanently, it seems. Not to mention the security issues, because there's no way you could get a printer without connecting it to the network. I mean, you could, but the moment that you do, oh, yikes, not exactly the safest thing that you could put next to another thing that's not exactly the safest thing. So we do not have a printer. Actually, it's kind of a lie, because we do have two printers, 3D printers, and I don't want to connect them to the internet, because they don't necessarily need to be connected to the internet to function. Now, if I do need to connect them, it's just very briefly, but that doesn't really work with a more traditional paper-driven printer. So I don't do printers, and I'm curious to know if I'm the only one who's pretty much given up on them. If I can, I'd scan something and then hold on to it and send it digitally. If I have to deal with any kind of paperwork that needs to be printed out, I have like a mailbox place that I go to that I send prints to, and then they print it off. I'd rather pay more money over time to not own a printer, have someone else print it, than to actually own a printer. Am I the only one?